Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Tom moved to a new country with his parents 2 months ago. He didn't want to go out because he couldn't speak English well. Every day, he stayed inside, feeling lonely and shy.
I wish I could talk to people, but my English is not good. What if they don't understand me?
Tom, why don't you go outside for a walk? It's a nice day.
No, Mom. I don't know anyone here. My English is not good.
You won't improve if you don't try, sweetie. Just take a walk. You might meet someone nice.
At the park. Tom is sitting alone on a park bench.
Hey there. Is this seat taken? No. You can sit. Thanks. I'm Peter. What's your name? I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom. Are you new around here? Yes, 2 months. I live with my parents. Cool. I live nearby. Do you like it here? Yes, but I don't have friends. My English is not good. No worries. You're doing great. We can talk. Conversation helps a lot. Okay, thank you. So, Tom, what do you like to do in your free time? I like reading and playing guitar. Nice. What kind of books? History and science fiction. That's cool. I love science fiction too. See? We have things in common. Yes, talking is easier now. I feel better. Exactly. Just keep going. Mistakes are okay. You're improving already.
At the library, a month later.
Your English has really improved, Tom.
Thanks. Talking every day helps a lot. I'm not afraid now.
You should be proud. You're doing great.
Now I can talk to other people too, not just you.
That's awesome. The goal is connection, not perfect grammar.
At home. Tom talking to his mom.
Hey, Tom, you look happy. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I met Peter again. We talked for over an hour in English.
Really? That's amazing. You sound so confident now.
I feel confident. I'm not scared to speak anymore, and I want to help others like Peter helped me.
I'm so proud of you, Tom.
Thanks, Mom. Everything changed when I decided to try.
Tom learned that conversation is the best way to grow in a new language. With courage, support, and practice, he became confident and ready to help others do the same. If you're learning English, don't be afraid. Speak, make mistakes, and keep trying.